A river without a beginning, a current older than time, a longing that moves through all forms, calling the heart to align, desire flowing through ages, carving the paths we walk, seeking to know and to feel, learning through every thought. Turn the longing toward the eternal, let the current lift you higher. What once bound the soul to the world now becomes the sacred fire. From sensation into knowing, from attachment into light, desire becomes aspiration, guiding us back to the source inside. Impressions written in silence, echoing through every name, personal stories unfolding, yet born from the same great flame. Cosmic images moving through the universal mind. The seeker learns to release them and leave their weight behind. Turn the longing toward the eternal, let the current lift you higher. What once bound the soul to the world now becomes the sacred fire. From sensation into knowing, from attachment into light, desire becomes aspiration, guiding us back to the source inside. When the pull of the outer quiets and the inner path is clear, the self stands free and unmoving, beyond every want or fear. A stream that returns to stillness,